Can you really plant one little garlic clove and get a whole head of garlic? You see it everywhere online, but is it true? Today, I'm putting it to the test. Follow along as we plant this single clove and track it all the way to harvest. We'll find out if this is a garden myth or a beginner's best friend.
The experiment is simple. Plant one clove and see if it multiplies. First, you need a good clove. You can use one from the grocery store, but for best results, get seed garlic from a nursery. This ensures it's disease-free and ready to grow. When you break open a bulb, you'll see cloves of all sizes. A good rule of thumb is that bigger cloves grow into bigger bulbs, so I'm picking a nice plump one for this experiment. Garlic isn't fussy, but it loves two things: sun and well-drained soil. Find a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sun. If your soil is heavy clay, use a pot or raised bed to prevent the bulb from rotting. A little compost mixed in will give it the nutrients it needs. Now, the most important part: plant the clove with the pointy side up and the flat side down. The shoot grows from the point and the roots from the base. Make a hole about 2 inches deep, drop the clove in, and cover it up. If you were planting more, you'd space them 6 inches apart. Finally, add a thick layer of straw mulch. This acts like a blanket, protecting the clove, holding in moisture, and stopping weeds.
The best time to plant is in the fall, a few weeks before the ground freezes. The clove will establish roots and then go dormant for the winter. Don't worry if you don't see anything happening. When spring arrives, you'll be rewarded with a bright green shoot. From here, just make sure the soil gets about an inch of water a week. Months later, in midsummer, the plant will tell you when it's ready. The lower leaves will start turning yellow and brown. When about half the leaves have browned, it's harvest time. Don't just pull it. You could snap the stem. Gently loosen the soil around the bulb with a small trowel and carefully lift the whole plant out. And now, the moment of truth. Look at that! What started as one single clove has transformed into a beautiful, full head of garlic with a whole new set of cloves inside. So, can you plant one clove and get a whole bulb? The answer is a definite yes! It really is that simple. Just start with a quality clove, plant it pointy side up, in a sunny spot with good soil, be patient, and you'll be a garlic growing pro. I hope this inspires you to plant your own. Thanks for watching.